friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Welcome back to my channel, where here we talk about all things Beanie Baby. Hello, Cyrus. Do you want to be on the video? Hello, friends. Hi, Cyrus. Hi. Okay, you can go. I know. Oh my gosh. Hello, Beanie Baby besties. How are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Cyrus. Oh, I have another package to open. So I was just rereading our chats and I realized that I still owe her another $2. So I sent an email apologizing for that mix-up. It's like when I'm beanie babying and multitasking, I only comprehended like half of what that conversation was. And what it was, and I'm sure a lot of people have come up with this on Facebook Marketplace, she asked me to send her my $35 for this big box. Oh my God, this is a steal. Look, it's in an Imperfect Foods box. Look how big this is. This is full of Beanie Babies. It's heavy. It was $15 to ship and it was $20 for the lot. So in total, $35 for 31 Beanie Babies. I had to have them. So half of them are St. Patrick's Day and the other half are Easter and rabbits. So I'm really excited to what's in here. I purposefully didn't look too much at the pictures because I want to see them in person and cuddle them and see them. Friends and family, or, and this is the part that I totally skipped over, goods and services add $2. I only read the first part and I was like, no, I haven't bought from you yet. Like, I have been scanned before. I'm not sending it friends and family via PayPal. That's when I reread the second part that was like, or add $2. Beanie Baby seller, she's getting rid of most of them and she's selling them bulk cheap and she's reclaiming her space in her house. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's start with, let's do St. Patrick's Day. I know for sure I do not have this one already. Look at this beanie kit. And the couple beanie kits that I did have that I purchased in another bulk cheap lot, the beanie kits had been like played with and stuff by kids, so they weren't in great shape and I ended up just getting rid of all of them. But this one, I don't think it's been played with and it's just so cute. It's like, oh my gosh, is it not like a troll doll? I wonder if you can buy other clothes for this. I know that somebody's asked that before in a comment and I don't have an answer. If anybody knows, like if there's another line of baby dolls that would fit them, let me know. What is your name? Shenanigan. March 17th, 1993. I'll bring you luck the whole year through if you keep me close to you. Oh man. It's kind of like a Cabbage Patch doll, isn't it? It's like you take inspiration from a Cabbage Patch Kid, which of course I had a few of. My mom was one of the ones that had to stand in line all night to get them for us for Christmas one year. The troll dolls, oh my gosh. I used to love going to bingo with my grandma and my mom. Always took a collection of troll dolls with me. Did you see in my video from Shauna? In my birthday box, she sent me all those trolls. This is what my hair usually looks like when I wake up. If it was pink. Is there one of these with pink hair? Okay, enough of you shenanigans. This is Shamrock. Another Shamrock. 1, 2, 3, 4 Shamrocks. Oh, a couple errands. Here's an errand. Here's an Aaron. I think that Aaron is a great one for everybody to have in their collection. This is like quintessential Beanie Baby collectors guy. Get yourself an Aaron. Another Aaron. Okay, who's this? Killarney. Killarney has a rainbow and a pot of gold. This is some really cute embroidery. Okay, that looks like all the green. So you gotta have these for your collection. It's a hippie. I didn't get hippie until like last year. Hippie. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh, and they all have these different color patterns. hippie. I really like these, the pastel tie-dyed. I really like that in the Peace Bears too, if you can ever find one of those. Oh my gosh, there's more! There's more! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 dippies. Ooh, check out the pink on that one. I'm thinking of like all the things that I can do with these. All the people that I can give these to as gifts this Easter season. Okay, and then, oh, how cute is this? Springfield. These are in such great condition. You really should have charged me more, but I absolutely love it. I can't wait to share these with my friends, with our Beanie Baby besties. 2 hippities. 1 floppity, 2 hoppities. Like, oh my gosh, you have to have these in your collection. These I'm excited. They're in such great condition. Oh my gosh, I have so many sets of these now. This is exciting. Oh, fun. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nibblies. Whoops. They're jumping. They're hopping all over the place. They came to life. This one's Nibbler. Ears. Oh, cute. Grace. This one's so soft. Winksy. I don't think we have another Winksy. I don't know you. Well, welcome to the Beanie Baby house. Beanie Baby Bagode. Like everything has to have 3 B's. 3 B's. B3. You are a really nice shade of purple. Springy. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Nibblies. Nibblies and marshmallow. Oh my gosh, there are so many bunnies. Who you? Hopper. Hopper. Double hoppers. Oh, they have glitter in their tails. How do they do it? I don't know. Who makes these? I mean, other than Ty. Are they really handmade? Handmade in China. I'm just like marveling in the creation of Beanie Babies. Okay, the box is almost empty. I have a bunch of hang tag protectors in here. I've been meaning to like cull down that collection. Here, let me show you. I mean, it's not out of hand yet, but I could pass these along to somebody that would appreciate them more than me. So maybe I'll sell them, try to make some money back to counter all the Beanie Babies that I have bought and am still going to buy. Same with display cases. I have boxes and boxes of display cases. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with that yet. Everybody's always asking me if I have any advice for people who want to sell their Beanie Babies. So I asked this seller, hey, do you have any advice for anybody that's going to sell Beanie Babies? And she said that she likes to bulk sell cheap. Like she's just reclaiming her space. I think I already said that in this video. So when people come to me and ask if I want to buy their sets for like $20 for one or something, like, no, I think you should sell it for that, but I'm not your buyer. I like to buy bulk cheap and then give it away. I just love these. Oh, they're so huggable. I'm trying to think of like the crafts and things we could do with them maybe. Tag University. That would be a good name for a YouTube channel, for a Beanie Baby YouTube channel. Ooh, I am ready for St. Patrick's Day. Not really, but these are getting me excited for it. We're still taking down Christmas decorations. How many Beanie Babies can I stack on top of me? Is that a good thumbnail? That could work. Oh no! Oh, where's Shadow? Where's Shadow? All right, Beanie Baby friends. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had a great day today. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask.